So now that the darts have been closed, all 4 darts of the front and the back piece, we are going to be fixing the facings on the skirt waistline. So we're just running a straight line, and this is how it looks. You finish it with the overlocking, or if you have a zigzag stitch on your machine, you can use that to finish it off nicely. So we have them ready. The next thing we're going to do is to join the side seams of the skirt together, just like this. I'm sorry I didn't show where I sewed that because I was in a bit of a hurry. So this is how it looks. Our skirt is coming nicely together. The next part is the main part, which is the flounce. We're going to be attaching at the bottom of the skirt. So what I did here was to actually join them right sides facing and start pinning. Like I told you before, silks and satins and chiffons are very unforgiving and are very slippery. So I would advise you to always pin together your fabrics before you sew so that they're in place. And be careful, because anything that is cut on the bias has the tendency to stretch more than it should. So carefully place your pins just all around before you take to your machine to sew like this. So I'm taking it to the machine and we're going to be stitching that together. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. I had to cut through it again and sew it because it gave me a bunched look at the corner. So after doing that, it was smoother. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to just fix our zip, and we are ready to go with our skirt. And yeah, the zip is fixed. The only thing left is to hem the skirt. Take it to the machine, hem it and give it a nice press, and our skirt is totally ready to rock for Christmas. Yay! And this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. I hope it looks nice, and I hope you guys attempt this tutorial. I enjoyed myself sewing this. I hope you will too. Thank you for watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to do so, and also hit the like button, share it, comment, leave your comments, and we'll always go through your comments. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.